When filling out your home, apartment, or condominium, there are a variety of accessories to purchase, including furniture. A bookshelf or bookcase is a perfect item to fill out a living room, den, office, or other space. There are many advantages with bookshelves. They provide a sense of organization for books of all shapes and sizes, but also can provide space for other items like picture frames, decorations, or memorabilia you wish to show off to visitors. Bookshelves come in many different shapes and sizes themselves. For instance, you could use hanging shelves on your walls or go with a traditional bookcase. In either case, a bookshelf or bookcase can offer organization, easy access, and offer friends and family a bit of your own personality. Hello there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here to show you a collection of modern wooden bookshelf ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Bookshelf is very necessary for a living room, as it makes your room a better space to live. A room with bunch of books look messy, and also it is very difficult to find a desired addition from an unorganized collection of books. So, bookcase is the basic need of your home. You can also keep some decorative pieces in a bookcase to add elegance in your room. It is very useful to control unwanted clutter in your living space. Handmade bookcases, especially wooden bookcases, can offer both the perfect focal point to any room or provide storage space you may not have had before. Quite simply, bookshelves and bookcases offer a fashion and a function element when used in your home. The bookshelves are used in many places like libraries, offices, shops, etc. Thus, you can use it for home purposes as well for commercial purposes, like in showrooms to display magazines and journals. Bookshelves are available in several designs and sizes. Some are placed against the wall, some are mounted on the wall, some are placed at the corner of the room. These versatile pieces of wooden furniture save your area and provide extra space for other purposes. Some shelves fit under the staircase to offer great utilization. This type of shelf is the perfect option for small apartments. Bookshelves are easy to access and carry because of their flexible configurations. You can arrange your collection in the racks according to your needs, and it will be easy for you to find a desired addition anytime. You can bring additional style to your room by placing a functional piece of furniture. Bookshelves give you a chance to collect the books inside an immaculately presented cabinet that will reflect your style. A wooden cabinet is the best option to give a traditional touch to the living room that can prevent your collection from moisture and dust. It is the perfect blend of style and storage. There are several options of bookshelves to choose from, as they come in different designs, sizes, material, and shapes. You can easily choose the most suitable piece according to the style of your home decor. The basic types of the bookshelves include corner shelves, ladder shelves, tower cabinets, wall-mounted shelves, and glass cabinets. A well-arranged room is incomplete without a bookshelf. You can choose the type of shelf according to the space available in your room. The size of the racks of your bookshelf should be according with the size of your books. Once you know what you want to put on the shelves, you can determine what size of racks you needed. Your new bookcase must be matched with your existing furniture. Choose the one according to the color and theme of your home. When you surf through online stores to find out the most suitable shelf for your home, then always see the product description properly. If you have some basic tools, you can easily make a functional bookshelf in no time. There are several tutorials showing you how you can make simple cabinet-style shelves. We encourage you to choose your favorite design from this video and try to make a similar shelf by yourself. Or else, you could show these designs to your local workshop and ask them to make one for you. In either case, you will end up having an eye-catching piece of furniture which will care for your book collections for years to come. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked modern wooden bookshelf ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.